Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to upgrade or replace some component of the Dell E5470 like RAM, storage, battery, and Wi-Fi. These are the specs that my Dell E5470 laptop had when I bought it. Unfortunately, the processor cannot be upgraded as these are soldered to the motherboard. The only way to change would be to swap the entire board or laptop. Pretty much everything else can be upgraded though. To open it up, simply remove 8 Phillips head screws. I am using a minus head screwdriver and pry tools to get inside. Once inside, we've got the battery down the bottom with one hard disk or SATA SSD slot on the left side, the Wi-Fi card is just above on the left, and the two memory slots in the center. To access the hard drive, just remove 4 Phillips head screw and pull the connector out. After that, pull the hard drive and remove the screw from the casing. And just change the hard drive to SATA SSD. Putting in the SSD is basically the same process in reverse. Place the screw back in the casing, place the SSD back to its slot, connect the connector, and screw the screws back. To replace the battery, we need to remove 2 Phillips head screws and pull the connector. Putting in the new battery is basically the same process in reverse. Put the battery in place so the screw holes line up. Connect the connector and screw the screws back. Next up, we will upgrade the RAM. Mine came with one 8GB stick for 8GB in one channel at DDR4 2133. You always want to have 2 sticks installed for dual channel, as this will give best performance. I'm going with 2 8GB sticks for 19GB in total. To upgrade or replace the Wi-Fi card, basically unscrew the Wi-Fi card. Then remove the 2 antenna cables attached to it. The 2 antenna cables are labeled 1 and 2, and the Wi-Fi card also specifies this on its port. So, connect the card the same way, put it back in and screw it in place. If you are done with the replace or upgrade, The last thing is to check everything if it's correct or not. If it's correct, then snap the plastic cover back in place and place the screw back in. I think that's all I can show you about upgrading and replacing some component of the Dell E5470. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.